What's what, 512 that day?
Yeah. You got 4 or 5 cameras over here, man. So is this gonna be on YouTube?
Yeah. That's where it normally goes.
Yeah. What did your screen so I can look for it?
My username?
Yeah.
Oh, Javon9603.
Who?
Javon9603.
Oh, okay. When I see who posted it, I don't know if it's you or not.
It'll be me.
How much memory is that going to take? It's going to take some memory when you do a movie, right?
Yeah.
On your car.
It'll probably take about maybe, if I do like 10 minutes, it'll probably take a gigabyte or
Yeah, I was
gigabyte or
saying,
two.
probably maybe more. Take just a gig for 10.
Yeah.
Somebody going to watch it that long?
Quite surprised.
I hope you ain't got sound, because I don't feel like letting nobody listen to it.
Trust me, they ain't worried about you.
Be on the, yeah, I know that a-hole driving.
Last thing I'm gonna do is expose the driver on the internet. Not my thing. Get away from me.
Can't get no further than the cars ahead of us. See? We just brakes it already.
Need to get the head on his front bumper fixed.
Let it go.
Now that I believe.
And with the cars and the truck racing down the hill. I felt like Bill Cosby in the go-kart race. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Y'all had your own music for that, right?
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
They were doing 95 too. I mean, you don't understand. Your 95 is the same as mine, okay?
Come on now, you know they was just racing with you.
But I'm doing 95. You got to get ahead of me, right? You got to get ahead of me.
They got to go 10 miles faster than you just to get past you.
So y'all doing 100. Just to get by. Gravity taking this down the hill at 95 miles an hour.
Yeah, you ain't even got your foot on the accelerator or the brakes.
busted me and got me for my logbook not being caught up. He said, we'll give you a speeding ticket.
As far as you had to go, just New York?
Well, no, that was one of the places. It was kind of like close to the New York state line. East, or I mean the West State Park, you know. The West State line in New York. So I asked him how fast I was going. He said, well, if I tell you how fast you was going, I have to get you a ticket. Well, you don't have to. I don't really think he knew. But the way I just come by him.
If you went like that, oh, that's fast enough for me. Woo!
You know. I don't even think he got a good look at the front. The truck in the back was there. You know. Way early on there. I think your truck went by as quick as a car would. Like 70 feet of truck, right? 70-foot truck went by like a 10, 15-foot car.
Yeah.
So now, wait a minute, you going too fast. That truck should still be in my eyesight.
Hey, well, you just trying to get your deliveries there on time.
That's it.
Or sooner.
But I could always get my deliveries on time if I wanted to, you know. Well, I wanted to 99% of the time. But sometimes things happen and you couldn't get them